Hello everyone to the Shards of Levitaria gameplay trailer for our first alpha version, which is submitted to the Leapmotion 3D Jam. Once you've downloaded the zip files, extract them wherever you like to have them and open the correct folder, and then you look for the executable, which you open, and that should start the game, which should look like this. So you can now put on your Oculus Rift and press Alt and Enter to enter the Oculus Rift mode. Now we have our first enemy incoming and we need to kill something, and therefore we need to cast a spell with our hand. So make sure your hand faces away from you so the fire doesn't burn your face, and make sure that your fingers point upwards straight, like this. Alternatively, you can use your lightning. Sorry for the camera flicking here. Make sure that your fingers point away from you so the lightning does not jump into your eyes. When you cast this spell, you should make sure that your hand is below your head, because you get some tracking issues if it's too high up, but it works in some way. Now, the third spell we have so far is the long range spell, which is called the laser. And to cast a laser, move your index fingertip and your thumb tip together. And when you see what happens, you can kill an enemy from far away, so they never reach you. Woo! So, we're gonna take a look around, and we have to turn for 180 degrees. To do so, we look at our left hand and make it a fist. And voila! We look in the other direction. So now we have to move in some way, and therefore, because we're an almighty wizard, we teleport. Make a space between your index finger and your thumb, but make sure they don't touch. So this blue ball flying around there indicates where you're gonna be, and if your index finger and your thumb touch, then you teleport. Now we turn around and we remember how to cast a fire spell, of course. So we get rid of these. Whoops, sorry, tracking issue. And there you go. So please keep in mind whenever you try this is just the very early version of the game, which is far from being finished. However, we're gonna keep working on it, and this is the successor of Project Ingenuity, if you have heard or seen about that. In future versions of this game, we're gonna add a laboratory where these small minions you see will invade to build a golem, a strong boss monster, which is actually capable of killing you, because as you have seen before, these creatures are way too weak for that. So your goal in the game is, on the one hand, keeping those minions out of your laboratory, and in the end, fight the golem which they have built. The more minions have made it to your laboratory, the stronger the golem. That's the basic idea of the game. Hope you liked it and enjoy our first version.